Now, let's take a moment to review your reporting options. There are 7 standard reports available in the COBRA portal. Begin by selecting View Report next to the report you would like to see. Each report will have different options. Select the appropriate option and click View Report. Please note that these reports are customizable. Each report is currently set up with a standard set of information. However, on the right-hand side, if you select the caret next to the search menu, it will open up all available options. If there's any information you are not receiving on the report, you can simply select that information here. Once selected, that information will populate on the report for you to view. You may also rearrange these fields and customize as you'd like. Once the necessary information is imported, select Export Report to receive a CSV or Excel copy of the document. Please note the disbursement details will be your remittance information. This will conclude our Clarity Portal overview. For questions regarding your account, please contact your Client Relationship Manager directly or email our team of specialists at cobraadmin@claritybenefitsolutions.com. Thank you.